In this video, I will show you how you can find your location analytics of your Twitter followers. But before starting the video, I want you guys to watch this video until the very end so you don't make any kind of mistake when you try it for yourself. So first of all, you have to open your browser which you can use. I will use Chrome browser here. After that, you have to simply search on you have to search Twitter analytics here and you have to open first website. Now your Twitter analytics will open here, and as you can see my account is not too big and my followers is 2, so here I cannot be able to see my followers location. But if your account is big and your followers is more than me, so you can easily see your location of your followers. So if you found this video helpful, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks like this one.